Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you are off-duty and that your carrier allows personal conveyance. This prevents HOS violations and protects logs. Once ready, enable GPS and mobile data so the app tracks non-commercial movement. Open Omnitracs, sign in with your credentials, and select duty status, then choose personal conveyance. Do this now to mark the start of the PC interval. It tells dispatch and the ELD that travel is personal, not driving for hire, and keeps your hours compliant. Once you start personal conveyance, tap Start and if prompted, enter a short reason or destination to document purpose. This helps later audits. Make sure you monitor speed and distance in the app. Omnitracs logs movement and timestamps automatically. Keep carrier rules in mind, such as maximum PC distance or cargo restrictions, because exceeding them can reclassify the trip as driving. If you need to pause PC, switch duty status accordingly, and notify dispatch when appropriate so records remain accurate and defensible. To finish, tap End Personal Conveyance and immediately choose the next appropriate duty status, on duty or driving, so your HOS continues correctly. Once ended, review the log entry for start/end times and attach a short note explaining the movement if company policy demands it. This helps auditors and dispatch. If the app didn't record correctly, clear the app cache, restart the device, and recheck GPS. If problems persist, contact your fleet administrator or Omnitracs support for a data review to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.